Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen. I hope you are having a sublime day. Now, in the last video, we did the amazing Cornish hens with sumac and shallots. But I'm sure some of you are thinking, but what do I serve with that? I'm not really that familiar with Middle Eastern flavors, so what side dish goes with that? I've got the perfect side for this. It's a carrot citrus salad, and it also has Middle Eastern flavors. And again, it's easy and only has 3 ingredients. So let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need for this salad. As I said, you only need 3 ingredients for this salad. You need carrots, you need some fresh lemon juice, and you need orange blossom water. Now you'll find this orange blossom water in Middle Eastern grocery stores, or again, if you're in a larger grocery store that has an international section. It's typically in small blue bottles if you get it at a Middle Eastern grocery store. But if not, if you find it at a regular grocery store, it'll typically have a blue label on it. And orange blossom water is a distillate of bitter orange flowers. So we're going to marinate the carrots in that, and it's going to give it a lovely flavor. You want to give the carrots just a rough chop. You can also do this on the large holes of your box grater as well. This doesn't need to be super fine. Once your carrots have a rough chop, you want to add them to the bowl. And to that, we're going to add our fresh lemon juice, a little bit of salt and pepper, and our orange blossom water. Next thing we're going to do is toss these with lemon juice and our orange blossom water. Now we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to this. We're going to add a tablespoon of our orange blossom water. A little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh pepper, and we're going to toss these and put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. As I said, this dish needs to be marinated in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. However, it's best served at room temperature. So you want to take it out of the refrigerator at least an hour prior to your serving it. And that's going to allow all of your flavors to really be enhanced, that lemon juice, that orange blossom water. If you are making this with your Cornish hens, you want to take it out, as I said, 1 hour prior to you actually taking your hens out of the oven. And then it should be perfect. So here we have our Cornish hens with sumac and shallots. I'm serving this with a carrot citrus salad that also has Middle Eastern flavors. And the following video includes the dessert, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos. Until we meet again, think sublime thoughts.